Hi, I'm Kelly McWhorter.
And I'm Clara Zepeda. So I see you're interested in interior design, but you have not yet RSVP'd for our open house on Saturday, February 2nd. We can let you know a little bit about what to expect when you come.
So we're both students and student ambassadors and members of the professional organizations, ASID and IIDA. So we'll be able to share that with you, answer any questions, and a ton of staff will be on hand to also answer questions about the design process, design school, and placement rates, which are absolutely fantastic here at DI. As a veteran and someone who was going into a second career, that was really important to me. It was also important to get a lot of support financially and from the staff that way, which DI is amazing at. I'm always taken care of. I think you are too, Clara.
Definitely. And coming to this open house will be a great opportunity also to see some student work, tour the campus.
Oh yeah, and you'll also get the opportunity with one of our amazing instructors, Rick Hass, to get hands-on and sort of get a little bit involved in the design process and to see how instruction goes. So that's a really fun part of the open house on Saturday, February 2nd.
And so just a little bit about ourselves. We are both actually seniors, and I learned about DI through the internet when I was researching what career I wanted to go into. I was currently at that time in the Marine Corps, and I was transitioning out, and the admissions team did a fantastic job of getting me set up.
Like Clara, I'm a vet. I'm not from San Diego, and I did a lot of research on different schools across the country and found that DI was the best fit for me because it gives you a family feel, those great placement rates, and also just the great reputation that the school has within the San Diego and larger design community.
So we're super excited, and we really hope to see you on Saturday, February 2nd at our open house.